Renesmee, come on, do some more movement. I feel like she is moving. She's turning. Oh, that hurt. Right over here. Oh. She just moved right there. Oh, there she goes again. This is like less than an hour before I turn 30 weeks. Well, from me being 30 weeks pregnant anyways. You can tell I've had other kids. I got stretch marks everywhere. Renesmee. What are you doing in there? So it's doing somersaults. Oh, there she goes again. Renesmee. You being a little butthead on there. Just moving right in here now. Because she's growing up now. This is like right here. Renesmee. Come on, do some more moving for Mom. Do some good ones. So I get them on recording. I want to cross my legs, but I know it's harder for the baby to move. Don't mind me breathing hard. I've been sick and I have asthma on top of it, and the baby's positioned where hard time breathing. I guess she's not going to move anymore. Watch, I stop recording and she will.